Oh, when you. Oh.
My wrinkles look a lot better.
When you said you had the. Oh, she outside.
Ooh, what's this stuff? I want some of this oil for my skin. Can I use this to moisturize me?
What did you use?
No, what did she use?
Oh, she used my oil. Yeah, okay.
What kind of oil did she use?
It's just 4 different oils.
To combine?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Feel this.
That's a serum.
I want this.
Yeah, that is my oil.
I want this.
Touch of it. Yeah,
Can I have some?
I can make some for you, Adrian.
I need a big jar. I gotta pee. You know the
Yes.
coke. You know the coconut. Coconut bottle jar, the big one from Costco.
Yeah.
I need one of those full.
Now you know it took us all day to do that. That's a damn shame.
No. It is like night. I know it's almost like nighttime now. It's like getting dark. But that's how we enjoy each other. We have a great time.
They gonna talk about us not having masks on.
Oh no, I'm gonna put a disclaimer in the beginning. Hey, we had masks. We came in. You shot us with a gun. Hey, what else can we do? We sprayed down before we even got out the car. I don't know if you've seen the light soldier. She carries her own.
Yeah, I do. I have it outside.
Yeah, she don't play around.
Oh look,
Adrian's
she is so sweet.
I love her. But she's wonderful too, and that's the only other person I would think I would introduce you to.
Oh, well, I'm so glad.
That's
you
about it.
her.
Anybody else? Yeah, and then she's supposed to. You're right. She's fun.
She is so fun.
And
Like
Adrian's fun. Right. I only introduce fun people to fun people.
I mean, we just had a ball of it.
Yes, God is good. I'm excited.
And how you measure her? Can you do it again? Like
Yeah.
how did you measure?
Oh,
her?
okay.
What did you do?
So what you do when you do the measurement?
Oh, yeah.
You want to do you want to do the waistline and the natural stomach.
So you did a before, and then.
So what you want to do is you want to come at the natural waist, and then you want to do the, like somebody like me, I have more stomach down here. So then, but she not like that. You know what I'm saying? Like she doesn't have.
I have so much.
So you'll do her natural waist, which was 31,
What?
and we are at already. Well, her first session, she's at 30.
Man, I'm definitely like a 44.
Oh shit, I'm not
up
gonna
there.
tell what I'm
Can you
at.
do my hips real quick?
I might be a 45 now though. I
My
might get.
hips
Can I
used
see?
to be, when I was at my biggest, 48 inches. So you can imagine how big that ass.
48?
48, my hips, that ass.
Wait, post pregnancy or after? Like that was
It's
after
like
kids?
After
too.
kids.
Okay, that's right.
42, And imagine,
Dang,
look
okay.
real weight. And I used to be here.
Girl.
So can you imagine?
Right, after women have kids, kids
Oh,
do damage.
wait a minute.
This is
They
how
weigh.
big I was.
They're told.
I lost 50 pounds.
You're gonna have to help me
Jeez.
because I'm trying to lose weight.
It's easy.
Really?
I ain't trying
I
to
do.
turn around. Let me see your booty.
Look, Benjamin not no stranger. He be
Okay.
exercising.
I work.
I
On,
mean,
I work
yeah.
on the booty all the time.
It looks amazing. Turn
Oh,
around.
now I
Look.
see it. Now I see it. Yeah.
You
I
see
can
it. You gotta get it up.
Yeah,
You see it?
Yeah. It came up big time like
You
this.
see it?
I did.
But that's only your first session.
I know it's gonna be on.
You
Girl, it's gonna be on.
you gotta come back for the other 3.
Yes.
And you gotta come once a week.
Didn't I just say we need
Yeah,
to come
we'll
here
come
once
back.
a week?
We'll
I
come
was
So
joking,
you
but
no,
yeah.
you gotta come once a week
Okay.
because I'm gonna tighten your belly. I'm gonna tighten up this,
And loose
and
skin.
then I'm gonna
Lift 'em up.
yeah.
Very nice. Cause see, she has an amazing. Yeah, she.
I'm
Yeah.
excited.
does.
But I
Yeah.
can't wait because let me see because I can't wait to put her pictures.
I know.
Because when I put her pictures up,
They
I'm
gonna
gonna
be
have
right.
so many people. That's why I said I'll do it. I'm so glad that you
That's it.
worked this out for me.
Yeah, cause I don't have anybody else that could come and. Yeah, everybody else is either husband. You know, they like, you ain't gonna do.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I have other
no,
people
my
that
husband.
their husbands control.
No, my husband's
They-
not like that. He's
I can't have no
come
husband.
on, we gotta go upstairs so you can meet him. Honey, come here.